This is Ifat Khalid, PhD scholar. This video is made under the guidance of Dr. Muhammad Namur Rahim. Today I will discuss how cinnamon works as a nature healing spice and how it transforms our daily lives. In this video, I will discuss various health benefits of the cinnamon. Here is the nutritional profile of the cinnamon ground per 100 gram, providing the 247 kilocalorie and the major macro and micronutrients. Out of these, the calcium is the most abundant, and whereas the antioxidant cinnamaldehyde, eugenol, and the polyphenols that providing the antioxidant, not only the antioxidant but also the protective effect against various chronic diseases. If we talk about the cinnamon as a spice, is the one of the world oldest and most popular spice. It value not only for its pleasant aroma but also for its unique warm, savory and spicy flavor. And this make it versatile ingredient both in used that used both in sweet dishes like dessert, cake, and beverages, as well as savory foods like meat preparation, etc. Its rich flavor enhance the taste while also providing the health promoting benefits. The cinnamon also contain the antioxidant cinnamic acid and cinnamaldehyde, protect the body against the free radical, and protective effect against the oxidative stress, and so protect the body against various chronic diseases. Cinnamon reduce inflammation by inhibiting the NFKB and pro-inflammatory cytokines. It block inflammatory pathway by decreasing the release of molecules that cause swelling and tissue damage. Cinnamon bioactive compound suppress the NFKB activity and limiting the chronic inflammation. If we talk about the other health benefits of the cinnamon, then cinnamon enhance the insulin action and helping the body use glucose more effectively and maintain the steady blood sugar level. It help lower the cholesterol and triglyceride while improving the circulation, which support the heart health and reduce blood pressure. Cinnamon also act as antimicrobial and antifungal compound, protect the body from the harmful bacteria. It also help prevent the nerve damage and protective effect against the neurological diseases like Alzheimer and Parkinson disease. If we talk about the cinnamon, also as a skin healing properties, by protecting the skin cells from the oxidative damage that prevent the premature aging and the wrinkle formation. It also inhibit the microbial compound like the bacteria responsible for the acne breakouts. Cinnamon boost flow to the skin, improving the oxygen and nutrient delivery for the healthy and radiant look. If we talk about the highest nutrient present in the cinnamon, that is the calcium, 100 gram of the cinnamon provide 1002 mg of the calcium. If a person regular intake of the calcium rich food like cinnamon helps strengthen the bones and reduce the risk of fracture, also the osteoporosis is a condition that reduce the bone density and weakening of the bones. If if we talk about the safest amount that we should use, that is 2 to 4 gram per day, that is equivalent to approximately half teaspoon, providing the enough antioxidant and bioactive compound. Then we should also talk about how to use cinnamon as a spice as a supplement. We can also use it as a supplement in the form of capsule, powder, or extract as a dietary supplement. The concentrated form provide enough antioxidant promoting health promoting behavior. If we talk about the bioavailability of the cinnamon, yes, then cinnamon on an average cinnamon shows about 40% of bioavailability The required intake slightly increase with age due to the reduced absorption efficiency. As shown in the slide, the 50 years, an individual greater than 50 years, then the absorption drops 25 to 35% as compared to the healthier one. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe AM Info.